I tuned in the Grand Ole Opry show again last night to hear what country music had to say about God and sex and politics and raising family right, and how the outlaws did it in their day. I heard songs about the way a woman looks in her blue jeans, songs about what white folks say being Southern means, ballads weighing pros and cons of whiskey, wine, and beer. No one singing protest songs this year. Some sang hymns extolling dirt roads, swimming holes, and open skies. But the stage was stumm on wetlands, oil spills, and rising tides. Loads of odes to tipping back on six-packs in a truck, leaving voids for kids on opioids in small towns down on luck. I heard songs about the way a woman looks in her blue jeans, songs about what white folks say being Southern means, a serenade to US made values we hold dear. No one singing protest songs this year. Then a song
hanging by a thread, lonesome, lonely as it gets. Lost in, wandering in my head. I was sleeping. You, honey, you got me. And you were right on time. And honey, I got you. And you were right on time, honey. Anxious like a wreck. Water's rising, waves flooding in, like a castaway, floating on driftwood. I was sinking. You, honey, you got me. And you were right on time. Honey, I got you. And you were right on time, honey. Hanging by a thread.